Hey guys, what is up? Skullbasher99 here, and today guys we are starting a new series called White Noise Online Nightmare Edition. We're going to be doing every map on Nightmare. Every day is going to be a new attempt at a different map, and after we beat a map we cross it off the list and we keep going until we've beaten every map on Nightmare. So I hope you guys really stick with us through this. I'm going to try to upload a new video every day. I'm not going to guarantee that I will because I have been really busy with school lately, but I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can tonight and tomorrow night, and hopefully we can get everything done. I still haven't figured out how to sync everything with my laptop, and as soon as I figure out how to do that, we'll be set and I can upload everything, because it's saying the stuff I already had is too big to upload. Like, I've already gotten like 20 videos trying to put them up and none of them have worked, and it's really bothering me. But let's jump right into this. Alright guys, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, and here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Yeah, Chase put the new monster in front of crazy with like a big blue bear fountain. Oh my god.
Okay, we spawned on the road. Oh, there's the building. Let's check that. Do you guys want to split into groups of 2 or not? I would say no, because then if one of us dies, the other does as well, and then we just come. Okay, everyone follow me. Everyone follow me. Are you guys near me? Alright. I hear him. Alright, yep, there's the graveyard. And then we have to head up and down the stream, make sure there's nothing there. We should probably head back up the road after the graveyard. Actually, no, we'll circle around the little statues and then check the road.
Why is it on Nightmare, dude? Why don't you put it on Nightmare?
Cause got it. Yeah, he is. Did he disappear? Alright, follow me. There's another tape over here. I see it. Let's go. Alright, are you guys still behind me? Alright. Sorry if you guys can't hear my friends really well. It's just we're having a little trouble with the picking up their voices. Hopefully I can get like an Elgato or something soon. I'm not sure if I will or when I will, honestly. I hope I do soon. That would be awesome. I'm probably gonna try to get one for Christmas. Hopefully I do, because that would help a lot with this kind of thing, and you guys would feel a lot better about the videos because it wouldn't be all weird. So let's go. Alright, follow me. Is that the stream? Where's the stream? No matter what direction we head, we're either gonna approach statues or a wall, and then we just gotta turn. Alright. Well, since I'm leading, feel free to turn off your flashlights. Yeah, we hit a wall. Alright, follow me. Yep, there we go, statues. Everyone be quiet for a second, I'm listening for tapes. No tape here. Alright, I think we're circling around back towards the road. You guys both almost always die. Okay, here we go. Let's just check this real quick, then we'll circle around and head back towards the stream. Be quiet. Yep, tape.
Behind that tree. Behind the tree.
Well, welcome to White Noise Online Nightmare Edition. There it is, I see it. I'm gonna grab it. Got it. Everyone keep following me, don't worry. You guys stick behind me, we'll all be fine. Okay. We gotta keep heading this way, we'll hit the stream, then we'll head up and down the stream, make sure that we get all those tapes, and then if we have any left over, I know where everything else is. Dude, I've played this map so many times. Because if we're in a line, he'll pick us off one side to the next. Okay, don't worry, we're near the stream, don't worry. Okay, so Aiden, just try to catch up a bit. I'm walking. Everyone walk for a bit. Aiden, tell us when you're back in the group.
Everyone start walking. Everyone start walking.
I've been walking.
No running.
Okay, Aiden, are you there yet? Alright, yep, stream, there we go. Alright, everyone, we can start running again. There it is. He's not. Follow me. Let's check these real quick. There it is. Okay, everyone stay on the stream. We gotta keep heading up. We haven't checked the face yet. I believe that's over to our right somewhere. Yeah, I know, I just said that. The face. Yeah. I think it's to our left. I think it was past the... Hey look, it's a... it's a dick. It's a stone penis. Okay, everyone head right, don't worry. Stop. We're fine. Everyone walk for a bit, let Aiden catch up. Oh. Okay, everyone keep running, keep running. We're not stopping for anything now. If anyone gets lost, you're on your own. We just lost one. We have 6 already. Here we go. Here we go, here we go. There you go, there's one over here, there's one over here. I think I know where the last one is. Jesus Christ, I can't get over to it. There, got it. Aiden, keep following me, keep following me. Lennon, you go look for the face, alright? You go look for this head statue on the ground. Just go look around. It's on the left, it's on the side to my right. You're not going to. Aiden, follow me. No, he's not. Me and Aiden are the last ones alive. He He tries to like make you hallucinate into like knocking yourself out or thinking you're going insane. Oh, someone died at like the entrance to the statue. I think it was Landon. Yeah. You can't see him when you're dead. It's not here. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Aiden, are you still behind me? Are you still behind me, Aiden? Alright, keep running. Keep running. We have 7 out of 8. Hopefully we can complete this one our first try. Okay, Aiden, are you following me? No one cares right now. We're in the middle of something extremely stressful. Now, Aiden, Lennon, did anyone find the head statues yet? It doesn't matter. Actually, wait, Aiden, stop. Oh, whatever, never mind. Aiden, stop. Aiden, don't. Aiden, don't. No, like, I'm recording. I don't want to ruin it for the people watching. Jesus. No, you can send him a message. I don't care. It doesn't matter. Where is everyone? Jesus. Face! Head! 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 I'm right there. I'm right there. I'm right there. Jesus Christ, I'm scared. I don't see it. There it is, there it is, there it is. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Ah! Oh, flashlight broke. Oh, Jesus. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. I can smell that sweet soy sauce. What the frick is going on? What the frick? An ancient evil awakens from its slumber. It's called Your Mom Just Woke Up. Alright. Alright.
Really? Is that it? That's all?
Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, alright. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do the outro. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. I will definitely try to get more parts of this series up, and I hope you guys enjoy this series because I find this game really fun to play. It's called White Noise Online, obviously, for all you who want it. It's kind of like a multiplayer Slender, and I really suggest it. It's like the atmosphere of the maps is perfect. You get scared so easily. They feel it's like you lose all control of whether or not you're gonna be scared, but I think it's an awesome game. I would definitely suggest it to anyone out there that likes the game Slender and playing with their friends. So, it's been Skullbasher99 here. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Bye, guys.